Are you wanting to do flex classes, but you're not quite sure what to do, how to upload them, or what they want? Well, check out this video and I'm going to show you exactly what I do and how I do it.
I'm going to talk to you about flex classes and how I use flex classes and how I create and upload all of my information and making sure that I can do this in the easiest way possible. So this is right here. This is my class. I have to block out my student's name for privacy issues, but this is what my class looks like, and this is my first message that goes out. This is the first message that I put out to my classroom, and I would like them to answer it and get a little bit more knowledge about who they are and what they're looking for. And then so this class does not start until tomorrow, which is Monday, August 2nd. And so what I'm doing right now is I'm in CANVA, and let me see, there we go. This is my graphic organizer that I'm going to be using for my student. Okay, so I have two graphic organizers, and so I'm just gonna oh, that's not what I want to do. All right, so I have two graphic organizers because I made one into an example and then one will be blank. So I'm going to go ahead and actually get rid of all these so I have a blank one on hand as well. But I like to give my students an example and explicit instructions while I give assignments. That way they know exactly what I'm looking for. So I'm going to be providing my students this blank worksheet and then the filled in worksheet as well. And so I did all of this on Canva. So if you've never seen my Canva tutorials, just go ahead to my YouTube channel and you'll see my different Canva tutorials that I have. And I also have an entire course that you could sign up for, and I tell you exactly how to create digital curriculum for your classroom. So okay, so here's my assignments, and now what I'm doing is I'm using my notes section on my laptop to actually create what my first post is going to be. And I'm putting day one, here's my title, I have everything here. That way, when I go run this course again, everything's going to be all set up and ready to go. So this is the first time I'm running this course. And so I want to make sure that this is going to be repeatable. So in the future, when I run it, I can literally come here, highlight, and, copy, paste, and then put it into the Outschool classroom. And then that way, the work is already done for me. Now, that doesn't mean I'm not going to edit things as I go. I might want to change it up a little bit, but at least I have an outline of exactly what I want to say and what I want to do. And that's super helpful because you're not recreating the wheel every time you want to post the class that you want to have, right? I want to keep doing this class continuously, so I don't want to, recreate it every single time. So I write it in my notes section on my computer, and then what I'm going to do is I'm going to go back over to the Outschool classroom, and now what I'm going to do is I'm going to paste what I wrote and put it in this new post. So this classroom is like a thread, just like any other social media platform, right? It's a thread, and so once I make a post here, I'm going to go ahead and everything I want to say is there. I'm going to use this little blue paper clip, and what this is going to do is going to allow me to upload those documents. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to take those two organizers I was talking about, my blank one for the student to download and use themselves, and then my digital version so they can see an example of what I want them to do. So I'm going to click open, and then I'm going to click upload. And so what this is going to do is upload those documents right there for my student to be able to use and download. So now that I have everything here and I like it, I'm going to click send. And here's the best part is it's going to pop up like this where it says select publish time. So I can publish this right now, which I'm not going to do. This is helpful for when I want to communicate with students right before class. I sometimes like to go in and check on my students, maybe even 30 minutes before class, give them a little reminder. For one of my classes, we are doing socialization with gaming. And so I'll remind them to say, hey, don't forget to make sure your device is charged and you've got your app open and everything's ready to go, and you friend requested me. I will give them a little bit of an update so that they are ready and prepared for class at least 30 minutes before. So that's when I'll use the publish now. What I'm going to do right now, because my class is not until tomorrow morning, I'm going to hit publish later, and I want to make sure that it's on the correct date. So my class does not start on Sunday, it starts Monday, and I'm not going to post this in the morning. I want to post everything ahead of time, but it also looks like I'm super organized and ready to go because everything's going to be ready for them in the classroom in the morning. So I am posting this on Monday morning, and I'm going to do 9 a.m. and then I'm going to click publish later. There we go. And so I have my post ready to go. I don't have it here. The student can't see anything. Like, we're good to go. And so I'm good now. Like, my student is going to be able to come here and do their thing, and I don't have to worry about them. So I just thought that this would be super helpful for those of you who are wanting to do flex classes or just have some questions about flex classes. This is how you post a flex class and how you start preparing and doing this to make it the easiest for you. And so what I'll do is, this flex class is 4 weeks long. And so I'm going to do this, a couple times throughout the week. I like to post by at least 3 times. So Monday, Wednesday, and Friday for me is what I like to do. That way I'm giving them a break in between to get their assignments done. Like, this one is due on Wednesday. So their student that's already in here is going to get this on Monday. And then it's going to be due on Wednesday. And then with that, Wednesday will be a new assignment for her to do. And that might be to, watch a video and answer a question. It might be doing a writing exercise. It could be like a plethora of things depending on what you're doing. And then Friday I will also give another assignment, and then they'll have like the weekend to work on that. And I'm going to do that for the next 4 weeks so that I can develop the curriculum with them and give them feedback throughout the week. And so they're constantly being able to do something. But yeah, that stuff is all really depending on how you want to do it. You could do something every day, every other day. Mine's a writing course, so I need them to be able to have time to be able to really think and reflect. And so that's why I probably won't have them have an assignment every day. It does not mean I won't post every day, because I could post, little like tidbits of helpful information or quotes or something. Like, you really could do whatever you want. It's your class. But just wanted to give you some insight about how I do it and what's easiest for me. And if you have any questions, please put them down in the comments below. Reach out, let me know.
Thank you so much for watching this video today. I know it's a different scenery for me, but I'm in the public library right now getting things done. So if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe, and definitely check out next week's video. I'm here to help you every day to become a successful online teacher. My Outschool analytics for July are coming out, and I'm so excited to share them with you. So definitely check that out later this week. See you then.